If I could only have 3 sunscreens, these are the 3 that I would pick. Y'all, this was hard. This was so difficult for me because I have come to realize that I love a sunscreen wardrobe, a sunscreen arsenal. I like to have a variety of sunscreens for all different occasions. I like sunscreens for my body, for my face, for my scalp, for under my eyes. I like a different one. For different situations, for at the beach, at the pool, working out outside, under foundations versus just staying at home, sunscreens that are matte, sunscreens that are natural leaning glowy. I like variety in my sunscreens since starting this channel, but I think I have successfully narrowed it down to 3. So if I quit this YouTube channel and I could only buy 3 sunscreens, oh, it would be difficult because I'm thinking of a 4th one that I really want. But these are the 3. These are the 3 that I would stick to unless they were discontinued. Please don't discontinue these. Oh, hi, I'm Sean, Melanoma Mom here. Welcome to my channel. Come back next week for more sunscreen reviews. This is going to be mini reviews of my 3 favorite sunscreens today in this video. I try out new sunscreens every week to try and help save you money, to find the sunscreen that works for your skin. Don't forget to like and subscribe while you're here. Okay, this is the one body sunscreen, okay, that I would repurchase over and over, okay, for a variety of reasons. Let me tell you all the reasons. If I could only have 3. This is the Banana Boat Light as Air SPF 50. I discovered this last year. It's a cult classic favorite. Angie off of Hot and Flashy, I think, got all of us onto this one. I like that you can buy a 2-pack on Amazon for cheap because it's 6 fluid ounces. That's a fantastic price point. It absorbs quickly, non-greasy, water-resistant for 80 minutes. So this works for everyday wear. Also works in the pool, at the beach. Sand doesn't stick to it. It is an all-chemical sunscreen, so it's not going to leave a white cast on my body. It's not going to feel thick or sticky. It has avobenzone, homosalate, octisalate, and octocrylene, which is why I don't like this on my face. It also has a fragrance. It's like a clean scent. I don't mind it. It's not my favorite, but I don't mind it. And the clean scent, I feel like dissipates. It doesn't hang around on your skin. This would be it, y'all. This right here. I'm going to put this on today. I'm getting ready to head to go for a walk with my husband. And so this will be on my body because it is supposed to warm up today, even though it's the last day of February when I'm filming. But see, look at that. See, it just disappears. It rubs in. Look at that. It doesn't dry my skin out. It's moisturizing. It's light. Like I said, not sticky, not going to leave a white cast. So many great things about this. And budget friendly. Okay, the next 2 are not budget friendly. just gonna warn you of that right now. For my face, okay, I need a face sunscreen that will work on its own at the beach, at the pool, everyday situations, under sunscreen, on top, under foundation, on top of foundation. Okay, I need it to be able to reapply. I mean, are you really shocked? You should not be shocked. It's the Toti Solera Mineral SPF 50. I think I discovered this 2.5 years ago, and I constantly repurchase this. It's very water resistant, 80 minutes. It's not matte. It's not glowy. It's like a natural leaning glowy. It has a tint to it that works perfectly for my skin tone. So there's no white cast for me. Look at that. No white cast for me. It's thin, it's lightweight, it goes down to a dry touch on the face. It's not drying on me, it's not too much moisture. I have normal skin type. See, it just sinks in so nicely. It's fragrance free, it's mineral. It has 7% titanium dioxide and 6% zinc oxide. It's just fabulous. I would wear this on its own. I have worn it on its own to the pool, to the beach. You can get this on Amazon or on their website. I will leave Amazon link down below. Yeah, it's SPF 50, high protection. It doesn't break my skin out. It's not thick. Goes great under foundation. I can even, if I put it on my hands, if I need to reapply and I just tap on my face to reapply it, I can put it on top of foundation without it messing up my makeup. I can put it around my eye area. It's not going to sting around my eyes. This is it right here. Okay, and the last one, it's bougie, y'all. But this is the one that I have been loving currently, and there is a cheaper option that I would also pick up, but I can only choose 3, right? So this is the more expensive option if I could only have 3. And that is going to be the Dior Skin Fresh and Perfect Cushion. Now, I know you're thinking this is expensive, but it comes with a refill. So you get 2 cushions for 1. And I use this. It's SPF 50. It's mineral. There are mineral UV filters. Let me see here. Now, this is not a sunscreen first. I think this is supposed to be like a light skin tint first. It does not have. I'll pop up the ingredients on the screen here, but I'm pretty sure that it's mineral UV filters. And it comes in 3 shades, I want to say. Maybe 4. There might be a clear option. This is the lightest shade here. Right there. I love this for touch-ups. This is 010 is the shade, because it's not matte. It's a natural finish, and I love this for touch-up. So throughout the day when the 2 hours are up and I am out and on the go and I don't want to carry this with me and mess up my hands, I love taking this and dabbing it on my skin for that protection. It adds coverage and it adds the SPF 50. So together, I want to say that this is $60, but you get 2 of them, so it's really $30. So this is actually more expensive than this. But if I could only choose 3, that's what it would be. Why? This one, it doesn't make my skin, like on dry days. I recently took this up to Asheville for a funeral, and I actually had this sunscreen stick with me, review coming. The new e.l.f. one, and I applied the e.l.f. one and had dry patches, and it accentuated those dry patches. So the next time when it was time to reapply again, I reapplied this and it smoothed those dry patches out. I just popped it right on, and it did not accentuate any dry patches. It smoothed the ones that I had already there out. It's just a nice natural finish. It does add a little bit of moisture. I feel like it's not drying on me. Yeah, these three. If I could only have 3, I think this would pretty much, yeah, fit all my needs. And then I know you're thinking, well, what about your part line? I just wear a hat. Because none of these 3 I would wear on my part line. So I just wear a hat. That's what I would do. What 3 sunscreens could you purchase that would fit all of your needs if you could only pick 3? What would they be? I want to know. I want to hear your answers. Today's a great day to wear sunscreen. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.